Hello guys. So if you're looking to delete or close your Etsy shop, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you a few ways how you can do that. Now, firstly open your Etsy shop and log into Etsy shop. Now, firstly to close the shop, what you do is just simply click on your profile icon, which is your account over here. Click on it. Then go to account settings, and after that just simply go to privacy. Then just simply click on request deletion for your data. Just simply click on it, and when you click on yes I'm sure, your entire Etsy account, both your shop and your buying account, both of them will be gone. If you just want to close your shop on Etsy, so if that's the case, just simply click on never mind, and over here just simply go to settings, options, and over here you will find close shop. Click on it. Now if you have any existing balance, click on the balance over here, because without paying the balance you will not be able to close the shop. Fulfill your balance. Now after fulfilling your balance, just simply again go back to your settings, options, so close shop. Then after closing your shop, within few hours you will find the option over here. So currently it is not showing because I just fulfilled my remaining balance. So what you will find over here is, let me show you. So what you will find is, when you will click on close shop, and option will be over here, and over there you will have to give a short answer, and then after that just simply click on close shop and your shop will be closed. But if you want to again regain access to your shop, you will have the option to do that from the back end of your account. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.